Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'm really excited to share this project with you. This piece was inspired by something simple, but meaningful, my earrings. Sometimes inspiration comes from the most unexpected places, and in this case, it was something I got inspiration from a design I did last year for Easter for my co-workers and I. I wanted to take that design, that feeling, and bring it to life in a new form through 3D printing. So I started with a few rough sketches based on the patterns and shapes in the earrings, and from there, I moved into the digital design process. As I worked through the CAD modeling, I played with curves and symmetry, trying to capture the essence of what made those earrings stand out. I wasn't just replicating them, I was transforming them into something fresh. A fusion of personal style, creativity, and function. Once the design was ready, I sliced it and prepped it for print using PLA. I chose PLA because it's reliable, clean, and perfect for fine details. The printing process took a few tries to get just right, especially when it came to overhangs and clean lines, but eventually, everything came together beautifully. Watching it print layer by layer was like watching the idea come alive. There's something magical about that moment, when a digital idea turns into something real you can hold in your hands. After the print was done, I carefully cleaned up the model and added a few finishing touches. The result? A design that carries the spirit of the original inspiration, but stands completely on its own. It's more than just a 3D print, it's a reminder that inspiration is everywhere, even in the smallest details of our everyday lives. Attaching little decorative accents, bunny tails and tiny raised dots that really brought the whole piece together. For those accents, I used CA glue, just a small dab goes a long way. I used my hands to place the little spheres right into the divots I designed into the print, holding them in place just for a second until the glue set. It dries super fast, so you have to be precise, but it makes a strong bond, and those details really pop once they are in place. Once the glue was dry and everything looked good, it was time to finish it off with some ribbon. I picked a color that matched the vibe I was going for and cut just the right length. Then I took my scissors and curled the ends, adding that playful, elegant touch. I tied the ribbon through the top, gave it one final look, and just like that, it was ready to hang. That moment when you step back and see the whole thing put together. That's the reward. It's not just about printing a piece, it's about creating something with purpose and personality. And as I hang it up, I take a moment to really appreciate it. Not just the piece itself, but everything that went into it, the time, the care, the inspiration. It's more than just decor, it's a reminder of how creativity brings us together. Every time I finish a project like this, I think about the community around me. People who share their ideas, who support each other, who keep pushing to learn and grow. That's what makes all of this so special. So as this piece finds its place, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been a part of the journey. We are not just making things, we are building something bigger, together. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope this project inspires you to find your own creativity in the things you love. Don't forget to like and follow if you'd like to see more. Hoppy Easter!